turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of farmhouse garden design. With its rustic charm and timeless appeal, a farmhouse garden can transform your outdoor space into a serene oasis. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Let's explore what farmhouse garden design means, its benefits, different styles, and expert tips to create a stunning garden. Farmhouse garden design is a style that evokes the simplicity and beauty of rural life. It's characterized by natural elements, earthy tones, and a focus on functionality. Think weathered wood, blooming flowers, and comfortable seating areas. This design aesthetic creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that blends seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Farmhouse gardens offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They provide a multitude of benefits that can enhance your overall well-being and lifestyle. Let's explore the advantages of incorporating this charming design style into your outdoor space. First, tranquility. Farmhouse gardens offer a peaceful and relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Second, sustainability. By incorporating natural elements and sustainable practices, you can create an eco-friendly garden that benefits both you and the environment. Third, versatility. Farmhouse garden design can be adapted to suit various climates and spaces, making it a versatile choice for homeowners. Fourth, increased property value. A well-designed farmhouse garden can enhance the curb appeal and value of your home. Farmhouse garden design offers a variety of styles to suit different tastes and preferences. Whether you prefer a classic traditional look or a more modern approach, there's a farmhouse garden style that's perfect for you. Let's explore some of the most popular options. 1. Traditional. This style emphasizes classic elements like picket fences, vegetable patches, and floral arrangements. 2. Modern farmhouse. A contemporary twist on the traditional style, incorporating clean lines and minimalist design. 3. Cottage garden. A more romantic approach with overflowing flower beds, winding paths, and whimsical accents. 4. Herb garden. A functional and fragrant garden focused on growing herbs for cooking and medicinal purposes. Now that you have a solid foundation for your farmhouse garden design, let's dive into the exciting process of decorating your outdoor space. By incorporating the right elements and colors, you can create a truly enchanting and inviting environment. Here are these several tips for how to decorate your farmhouse garden. First, color palette. Stick to earthy tones like browns, greens, and yellows for a cohesive look. Second, materials. Incorporate natural materials such as stone, wood, and wrought iron. Third, plants. Choose flowering plants that attract pollinators and create a vibrant display. Fourth, seating areas. Create comfortable seating areas with benches, hammocks, or Adirondack chairs. Fifth, lighting. Add ambient lighting with lanterns, string lights, or solar-powered fixtures. Sixth, water features. Consider adding a small pond, fountain, or bird bath to enhance the tranquility of your garden. Ready to transform your garden into a rustic retreat? Explore these top 10 best farmhouse garden design ideas for inspiration. 1. Rustic pergola. Create a shaded and inviting seating area under a rustic wooden pergola. Adorn it with climbing vines like jasmine or clematis for a touch of romance and fragrance. Place a comfortable outdoor seating set beneath the pergola for relaxing evenings or afternoon tea. 2. Vegetable patch. Embrace self-sufficiency and enjoy the fresh taste of homegrown produce by planting a vegetable patch. Choose vegetables that thrive in your climate and consider using raised beds for easier maintenance. Add trellises or tomato cages for climbing plants like beans and tomatoes. 3. Flower garden. Bring vibrant colors and life to your garden with a stunning flower bed. Plant a mix of annuals and perennials to ensure year-round blooms. Consider adding flowering shrubs like hydrangeas or roses for a touch of elegance. 4. Herb garden. Cultivate a fragrant and functional herb garden for culinary and medicinal purposes. Plant herbs like rosemary, thyme, basil, and mint in containers or raised beds. Create a visually appealing arrangement by using different heights and textures. 5. Water feature. Add a soothing element to your garden with a small pond, fountain, or bird bath. The gentle sound of flowing water can create a tranquil atmosphere and attract wildlife like birds and butterflies. Consider adding aquatic plants and fish for a more vibrant display. 6. Stone path. Create a winding path through your garden using natural stones or bricks. A stone path adds texture and interest to your outdoor space while providing a clear pathway for visitors. Consider adding stepping stones or pavers for a more rustic look. 7. Rustic fence. Enclose your garden with a weathered wooden fence for privacy, security, and added charm. Choose a fence style that complements your overall design, such as a picket fence or a post and rail fence. Add decorative elements like climbing plants or hanging baskets for a personalized touch. 8. Outdoor fireplace or fire pit. Gather around a cozy outdoor fireplace or fire pit for evening relaxation and entertainment. Enjoy the warmth and ambience of a crackling fire while roasting marshmallows or grilling food. Consider adding comfortable seating and outdoor lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. 9. Outdoor kitchen. Take your outdoor entertaining to the next level with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen. Install a grill, sink, countertop space, and storage for all your cooking essentials. Enjoy preparing and serving meals al fresco while enjoying the fresh air and beautiful scenery. 10. Garden shed. Store gardening tools, supplies, and equipment in a charming garden shed that complements your overall design. Choose a shed style that blends seamlessly with your garden's aesthetic, such as a rustic wooden shed or a modern metal shed. Consider adding decorative elements like a window box or a climbing vine to enhance its appeal. A farmhouse garden is more than just a space to grow plants. It's a place to connect with nature, relax, and create lasting memories. By following these tips and incorporating your personal style, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional oasis. Ready to create your dream farmhouse garden? Start by planning your design and gathering the necessary materials. Don't forget to subscribe to our Homes Decor Designs channel for more gardening inspiration and DIY tips. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.